Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is to talk about the updates that are coming up this month of July 2020. Why are we talking about this? First of all, because there's a little bit of a change in the way that the updates are sent to Windows, but also because the updates were paused for the bug fixes in May and June, as Microsoft didn't want to mess up your computer with the times when a lot of people are working from home. Well, what is happening here is that starting July, so starting this month, we're back to normal with updates. When are these updates going to happen? Well, Microsoft has said that the second, so they divide the month into 4 letters, A, B, C, and D. A is the first week of the month, D is the last week of the month, and they, of course, tell you, well, Patch Tuesday updates are always on B, and the bug fixing updates are always on C. What does that mean? That means that on Tuesday, because it's always on a Tuesday, of the second Tuesday of the month, you're going to get the Patch Tuesday updates for security. Those are mandatory. You can defer these updates for a certain time, but they are there to be installed because of security hazards that they bring. And on Tuesday of the week C, which is the third Tuesday of the month, so 1 week after Patch Tuesday, you will have bug fixing updates. These are cumulative updates that will bring a number of fixes to Windows 10. So, happy or not, the bug fixes update are not mandatory, so you don't have to install them. You can leave them there, and they will show up in a separate section that is that will tell you to download and install if you don't touch or don't do anything. So, you don't have to look at updates. Is there an update every day? Because unless there's really something exceptional, the updates are happening on the second and the third Tuesday of the month. So they're back to that schedule this month, July 2020. And that means that Patch Tuesday for security, if we look at the calendar for this month, will happen, of course, second Tuesday, which is the 14th of July. So next week, and a week from now, we'll have the security updates. And on July the 21st, we will have the bug fixing updates. So the bug fixing updates are there to fix all sorts of little things that people are complaining about, or change things that maybe aren't working the way Microsoft wants to, and so on. So we're back at a schedule of 2 updates per month. Remember that if you don't install the bug fixing updates, they will eventually install by themselves, because every time a update comes through your computer, it checks if you're missing updates and bundles all of that together in the cumulative updates. So if you don't install it on the 21st, for example, this month, it will install on Patch Tuesday security updates of the next month. So that's where we are at, and that's what's going to happen this month and continuing on. 2 updates per month on the second and third Tuesday of the month. If you remember that, you'll always see that there are updates on these Tuesdays. Of course, there could be the out of cycle updates that we call. Out of cycle updates are updates that are very urgent and usually are security or really bad bug fixing ones. So, but most of the time it's security. It doesn't happen very often, but it could happen sometimes, an out of schedule update. But most of the updates you'll get in Windows starting this month will be on the second and third Tuesday of the month. So that's the schedule moving forward. And of course, always look here. We always talk about what is going to be in these updates as they come through, and we always have videos kind of talking about what they fix and what they do, and and we always look at the impact, did it break something or not, and so on. So I hope that you enjoy our content. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.